Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to reset maintenance light or oil life on 2019-20 Acura ILX, and we're going to use the button on the steering wheel right here, up and down button, and the I for information. We'll use the I information, and then you see the changing on the steering, on the MID, on the gate cluster right there. Then we will go up and down till we see the setting, vehicle setting. We hit select on the steering right here, select, and then we do that, roll up again or down until we see the maintenance information. We hit select that, and then we go up, then you hit reset. There you go, reset complete. And then we exit it out. We'll roll it up or down to see the oil life. When it's so 100%, you know that the oil life is reset. That's how you reset the oil life, like on the 2019-20 ILX. And I believe that from 2016, 17, 18, they're very similar, and you can do the same way. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Thank you.